So let's discuss what would happen if instead of passing in the name field, client instead, they pass us a price field. And let's say they wanted to update the price of the book to $39.99. Luckily, to implement this, it won't be too difficult because all the code that we need is already in place. So we need to just add another if statement here. If price is in the request data, then I'm going to updated book object. I'm going to add its price attribute to be whatever was passed in the request data's price field. Now let's open up a terminal and let's start our server. So let's first drag over Postman and let me do a GET request. And as you see, the GET request is working and we're able to get the books in our book collection. So I'm going to copy this ISBN, and for this patch request, I'm going to make it so the very first book in our collection will be updated. And then I need to check the header, which is correct, content type of application JSON, which is what we're sending over. The body looks correct. So let's change the book name from A into Harry Potter. And let me save that and bring this response window up so you can see and hit send. I did that and got a 204 code, which looks like everything was okay. So let me do a refresh of this GET request. And we see that the name was changed from A to Harry Potter. Now let's change the price from $7.99 to $39.99. If I hit this send, then we also get a 204 no content. And let's look at the headers and we can see the location header of the updated resource. Let me do this GET request again. And we see the price was updated to $39.99.